In a world where that claims the spotlight glow, nature's silent strength is often left alone. No gadgets or machine can truly change its place, for natural solution holds a timeless grace. Good respected jury members and the audience. Today I am going to talk about very crucial topic, that how the teacher or the teaching is important in the society. Imagine a classroom where 50 students are studying and there is only one teacher to control all the students. Does it possible? The answer is no. It is not possible because there are some big students or some lazy students or there are some topper as well. Thus it becomes very difficult for teacher to manage whole class in one go. Secondly, there are various parental classroom. By studying a teacher, he is giving 6 to 8 hours for particular subjects or the teacher. It means that the parents are having the great expectation on the teacher that they will promote or give the good guidance to his or her child or the daughter. That's why they are sending his student in the schools or the classroom. So the teachers are also having the parental expectation. They have to make their move or as well as on those all expectation as well. Now there are the workload as well or the stress. The teacher is not having the leave on Sunday or Monday. He is having only the leave in the register of the school, but in the reality he is not having the leave of any day, any time, any minute, any second. He always used to think about his students, their events, for their exam and for their well-being. The teacher is not only the one, he is the God-gifted mentor for us. He is not only the educator, he teaches us in every moment of our life. Imagine a situation when we are having any kind of problem, we are not able to concern with our parents, sisters or anyone. In that case, the teacher help us to understand it better and choose the right option in that one particular problem. Imagine a bus route in which many passengers are there. There is only one conductor, one driver. The driver consider a driver as the principal of the school and the conductor as the teacher of the school. Thus, there are all the problems and the conductor is the problem solver one. Thus, the teacher or becoming a teacher is not possible. Such, it's a very great profession. We always have to respect that particular profession. In my word, it's not any kind of profession. It's just a God-gifted thing for the student, which helps the student for achieving good goals. In conclusion, I would like to say that in every condition, the teacher guides us like a father, loves us like a mother, and motivates us like a sister. So the teacher is not a simple thing. It's a one which plays a very crucial role in everyone's life. So we always have to respect teachers. We have to be disciplined in the case of studies and always have to listen to their teachers because their life is not as simple as we are thinking. For that, we have to change our ideas into action. Thanks for attention.